Welcome to my That Muffin Art channel. Making a beautiful boxes and like a purses with a thread is an amazing and rewarding process that can improve creativity, observation skills, and even problem solving abilities. It helps in visualizing ideas and expressing emotions, opening up a space for creative thought and exploration. By making the different knots of the thread, it looks amazing, and different color of thread you can use to make different colors of purses. Use a grid to break down a reference image into smaller sections. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more tutorial. It is a skill that improves with practice. Start with simple exercises and over time challenge yourself with more complex subject. It is a journey that takes time and dedication, but with practice anyone can improve their skills. Be patient with yourself, enjoy the process and let your creativity flow. Thanks for watching this video.